Most new riders, when they get their first brand new motorcycle, start upgrading it right away. And this is where a lot of people end up wasting a lot of money, because they upgrade the wrong thing first. If you just got your first motorcycle, it's easy to think you need to start changing everything on it first. More sound, more performance, more everything. But the truth is, the best first mods aren't about making your bike go faster or have better performance. The best first mods are about making the bike a lot more enjoyable and comfortable to ride, giving you that confidence so that you can enjoy it to its fullest. So let's dive into some of the best mods that you can do when you buy that brand new motorcycle. So before we dive in, let's reframe it. Instead of thinking about what looks cool or what makes more power, let's think about what makes us feel more confident, what makes us feel more comfortable. What are we actually feeling when we're getting on that bike and riding? Improve those first, and everything else about riding gets better. Stock seats are fine for short trips, but once you're out for 30 minutes, an hour or more, you start shifting around constantly. Your lower back starts tightening up, and eventually you're thinking about going home earlier than you planned. That's why something like a Saddlemen step-up seat changes the ride so much. It gives you better support so you're not sliding backward every time you roll into the throttle. It keeps your posture more stable, and it spreads pressure out better during longer rides. It even drops you 1 inch lower than stock, which is going to give you a much more comfortable and planted feel. This isn't about performance. This is about finishing a ride and wanting to keep going. Next up, grips. These are one of those upgrades that riders underestimate until they finally swap them out. Stock grips can feel thin, stiff, and transmit a ton of vibration into your hands. And after a longer ride, your fingers start getting numb. Your grip tightens, and suddenly you're putting more effort into holding onto the bike than you should. So something like the Avon memory foam grips changes that immediately. They absorb vibration better. They give your hands a slightly softer contact point, and they reduce hand fatigue over longer rides. It's a small upgrade, but you're gonna feel every mile, so you might as well make it comfortable. Most riders don't think about brakes early on, until they really need them. Stock pads are gonna work just fine, but they are gonna feel a little soft, a little vague when you're rolling through traffic or trying to brake really, really hard. That's where something like the EVC centered brake pads are gonna make a huge difference. More predictable lever feel, and better confidence when you're slowing the bike down quickly. It's not about stopping harder, it's about knowing what the bike is gonna do every single time you touch the brakes. Lighting is one of the most overlooked upgrades, and it's one of the most important ones you can make. Stock headlights, they can be dim, especially at night, in the rain, or on dark backcountry roads. And when visibility drops, confidence drops with it. Something like the Kirk Orbit headlight changes that immediately. You can see farther, the beam pattern is cleaner, and other drivers notice you sooner. That means less strain, less guessing, and even better, more confidence when riding at dark. This one isn't exciting, but it matters. If your bike doesn't start, you're not going anywhere. A solid battery like the Yuasa AGM battery is going to give you consistency every single time you hit the starter. Especially if the bike sits for periods of time, you're not riding daily, or temperatures start dropping. It's not flashy, but reliable starts is gonna remove stress from the entire ownership experience. Most new riders make the same mistake. They jump straight into performance or cosmetic upgrades. More power, more parts, more noise. But if the bike isn't comfortable or it's not confidence inspiring, then those upgrades don't mean anything. If you want to keep it simple, start with what you feel first. Make the bike comfortable, make it easier to control, and then focus on everything else. Now there are some honorable mentions we'd like to throw out there, just in case you're looking for other ways to both increase confidence and comfortable riding. The right windshield can completely change highway comfort and reduce fatigue. Handlebars let you fine-tune rider position, comfort, and overall control feel. At the end of the day, the best beginner mods aren't about making your bike faster. It's about making you want to ride it more.